This brief lesson is about pages and the ability to add pages and different things that you can set inside your pages. So for this example, I'm going to open once again my yearbook publication here, and down here you've got your tabs for each one of your pages. So of course you click on the tab and it brings you to that specific page. So it's a very fast, easy way to navigate through your document. You can also go to View here and ask for a two-page spread. All right, and there's plenty of room. And depending on how large the things are you're working on, this might be a great thing for you to do. So understand you have the ability to go from two-page spread, and you can turn that off and go back to one-page spread. So that's a neat little feature right there. As in Word and PowerPoint, other programs like that, you have access to headers and footers. Now, the area that we have in a lot of these documents for headers and footers isn't very large or deep, so just keep that in mind. You'd, of course, be able to change that if you wanted to. You can always go to File and Page Setup and increase the size of your margins if you'd like to. This particular publication only has half an inch at the top, half an inch at the bottom. If you wanted more area for your headers and footers, you can change that here. Now, having said that, I'm going to leave it there for this example. Sometimes you get to headers and footers through View. Sometimes you get through Insert. This particular program is through View. So you can go to View, Header and Footer. So now we don't see our document anymore. We only see our header and footer. I know that in Microsoft Word it grays out everything else. Now, in this particular piece of software, you don't see the rest at all. You don't have as many options as you had in Word in this particular case. Actually, you'll find that throughout Publisher. You have some of the bells and whistles, but not all. Now here you have a predetermined center tab as well as a predetermined right tab, same as in Word. This allows you to have something on the left, something in the middle, and something on the right without having to use your space bar over and over again. So here you'd be able to type whatever you want. And understand, whatever you're typing in your headers and footers, they will turn up on every single page of your document. So now if you hit your tab key, you will immediately go to the center here. And they have a nice, easy little button here that will allow you to put the page number. Now understand that it's not giving you the real number, it's just giving you the little symbol there, letting you know that the number will go there. And if you want the word page in front of that, you would have to manually type it yourself, page, and then add a space. And then if you want something on the right hand side, you could tab over again, and they don't give you many choices. I don't think I'd want to put the time, and in this case I of course wouldn't want to put the date. Oh, however, I might want to put in a date. I might want to put in like 2007, so I can tab over, and it's not 2007. I don't know what I'm thinking. I would go 2009. Okay, it's publisher 2007, and then when I hit close, it brings me back to my regular view, and in my regular view I do see the headers and footers. And okay, as I said, the things that I typed are automatically showing up on every single page. So those are three of the main things you need to know about your page setups, is the fact that you can go to File, Page Setup, change your margins. You can view two pages at a time should you want to. Okay, now because I'm on page 1, it's only showing me one page. Okay, but when I get into the other pages, it's showing me two at a time, and of course I'm going to need to zoom out in order to take advantage of that. And you've got headers and footers available to you as you would in Word and PowerPoint, even Excel actually.